This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef Greg with recteq, and we have a great holiday appetizer for you. I'm sure you're very familiar with hummus, but have you ever had smoked hummus? After today, you will never eat regular hummus out of the deli case again. You're going to get some garbanzo beans. You're going to smoke them off. You're going to take that flavor elevator to the top floor. It's going to be delicious. All right, so we've got a couple cans of drained garbanzo beans, and if you want to go take the extra mile, you can buy the dried garbanzo beans and just follow the package instructions to cook them until they are al dente. But we're going to smoke these up using that delicious Kingsford signature pellets. It's going to give us the ultimate spice and flavor to our smoked hummus, and honestly, that's really where all of this flavor is going to come from. But we're not going to stop there because we're smoking everything in this recipe. We've also got some smoked kosher salt and some smoked garlic. So the overall flavor for this hummus is going to be absolutely amazing. The RT340 is rolling on low. We got that bad boy pumping at 180 degrees. Those Kingsford signature pellets are holding temp perfectly. I got my garbanzos. I said that wrong. Garbanzos? All right, I got the garbanzos. See you at the recteq. All right, the garbanzos smoked for right about an hour and a half, and they smell great. We're going to go ahead and dump those in there, and yeah, super easy. If you don't have this like commercial food processor, you can definitely do this at your house. You can also use an immersion blender or a regular stand-up blender. Just be very careful you don't overwork or overheat that motor. You definitely don't want to destroy your blender making this. But yeah, it's going to be delicious. Tahini. Might not have heard of tahini before. You can find it in the international aisle at your grocery store. Tahini is actually shelled and roasted sesame seeds. But like, great flavor and aroma. Put that into your food processor. Oh man, already smells great. I already told you about that smoked salt. We're gonna add just a pinch or two. Little over your shoulder for good luck. And then the smoked garlic. All you got to do here is just kind of squeeze it out of the shell there. And put a couple cloves of that smoked garlic. And don't worry if you get some extra olive oil on there. It's going to make this really creamy and delicious. You don't have a vampire problem, right? Just go ahead and smoke some garlic. Put all of your hands a little behind your ears, a little under your chin. Drive the ladies crazy. All right, so we've got our garbanzos, we got the smoked garlic, we got some smoked salt, we got some tahini. We need a little bit of citrus. So we're going to add just a little bit of lemon juice here. Put a little Ben's Heffer Dust in there. And I am excited. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pulse our food processor to start to sort of emulsify and break down those garbanzo beans. And then we're going to slowly drizzle in some really good olive oil. Don't skimp, get the good stuff. It's going to make this that much better. Now you want to keep processing this till it's really smooth and creamy. Very nice. Good look at the consistency of this. Really nice and creamy and delicious. Ooh, child, please. And then just a little more Ben's Heffer Dust because why not? And just a splash of olive oil. You want to make your friends and family completely envious of the easiest thing to do. Go ahead and smoke off some garbanzo beans and make some delicious smoked hummus. You won't be disappointed. Make sure you guys subscribe to recteq and Kingsford YouTube channel for all the latest and greatest content and some fantastic holiday recipes. We will see you at the recteq.